Welcome to Grant Thornton monthly overview of the Indian auto industry. We'll try to decipher the June 2021 figures both for the passenger vehicles and the two-wheeler industry. Well, June has been a very impressive month for the industry. If I talk about the PV segment, we had an impressive 118% volume growth between June 20 and June 2021, which clearly indicates that the pandemic has not impacted the upper middle class and the disposable income of the upper middle class. We have seen significant volume uptick for the utility vehicles because these are the vehicles which are coming with much more advanced features and value for money. If you look at month on month between January 2021 till March 2021, there has been a volume growth in the PV segment. And it was only in the month of April and also in the month of May when the decline in volumes happened largely because of the lockdown which was there in the different parts of the country. People were not moving out. But June saw a different story altogether because there were a lot of pending orders from April and May which had to be executed in June. The marriage season in India, which is April and May typically, also saw some kind of an uptick in the month of June when the lockdown got eased out, resulting into increase in the sales of the PV segment. But interestingly, the June volumes are still not as healthy as what it was in the month of April 2021. We are still almost at 55% level of the April 2021 levels. However, if we compare it with the volume growth of the two-wheeler segment, in June 2021, we are almost equal to April 2021 levels, which means that the pace at which the volume uptick has taken place in the two-wheelers is much higher as compared to the passenger vehicles. Though on a year-on-year basis, which is between June 20 and June 21, the two-wheeler sales have just gone up by 2%. And this is largely because this year, the spread has been out there in the rural areas, in the semi-urban areas, which also impacted the disposable income of the people living in those areas. However, we remain very optimistic about the Q2 and the Q3 because of the upcoming festival season, and we hope that yes, the demand will take place with respect to both the passenger vehicles and the two-wheelers. Thank you.